What is up, YouTube? It is Matt back with another crypto video, and today's video is on Stellar Lumen's XLM. First article I have out of the CoinGate. XLM game changer. Stellar-based Smartlands aims for a $1 trillion market with a new partnership. I will go over what Smartlands is, who their new partner is, and I will end this video with a quick look at the Stellar X decentralized exchange, published on October 2nd, so I know it's kind of old news by now, but I'll still wrap the video up with going over that a little bit. So back to this first article. XLM's game changer, Stellar-based Smartlands aims for a $1 trillion market with new partnerships. So what is Smartlands, you may ask? So Smartlands describes itself as the first worldwide platform for the tokenization of agricultural assets. The platform will analyze agricultural companies before adding them to the platform. Here's a basic overview of how the process works. Step 1, analysis of the agricultural companies. Smartlands will check farmland and other assets held by the agricultural company. They'll perform a legal audit, a business audit, and an agricultural audit. Step 2, select the most optimal jurisdiction. Smartlands will find a market for that company's agricultural products and select the most optimal jurisdiction based on that company's asset portfolio. Step 3, Smartlands will create a smart contract. A collateral agreement is signed between an agricultural company and escrow companies. The agreement is governed by the smart contract. Step 4, ICO campaign. Smartlands will sell tokens for the agricultural company or its assets. These are called asset-backed tokens, or ABTs. Users can purchase tokens for an agricultural company to effectively invest in that agricultural company. Overall, Smartlands wants to even the playing field among agricultural companies. It wants to allow any agricultural company, small or large, to successfully compete. It aims to boost efficiency across the industry. They're calling their technology part of the agricultural 3.0 revolution. So that is a quick look on what Smartlands is. It's pretty, I guess you can liken it to a stock market kind of, where you're buying tokens to essentially invest in a specific agricultural company. And so back to this article and their partnership. So Smartlands platform, a Stellar-based global security token issuance platform, has entered into a big partnership with Colliers International, a global leader in real asset services and investment management company. And then this is a look at Colliers International website itself. They say a better commercial real estate experience. Colliers International is a top-tier global real estate service and investment management company with more than 13,000 skilled professionals operating in 69 countries. What sets us apart is not what we do, but how we do it. Our culture encourages people to think differently, share great ideas, and create solutions to help our clients accelerate their success. Certainly this would be a forward-thinking company if they have partnered with a blockchain company to tokenize assets, because the real estate industry is a massive industry. So where was I here? So the platform that creates new opportunities for investors and asset owners on the Stellar network is ready to play a big game with the company that has assets in 69 countries and has managed about $2.7 billion in revenue in 2017. The goal of the partnership, according to the official announcement, is to explore the possibilities of a securitizing real estate in a digital world in general, and to jointly create a Stellar-based real estate tokenization project based on select properties managed by Colliers International. Now, Ramon, the CEO of Colliers International, said this: the global financial and commercial landscape clearly shows trillions of dollars worth of real estate ripe for tokenization. We at Colliers are positive that digital entrepreneurship of the new post-ICO era of security tokens will have a significant impact on redefining wealth creation, investing, fundraising, and a host of other internet-based commercial activities. Colliers is pleased to cooperate with the Smartlands platform, who appears to have a perfect grasp on asset tokenization on Stellar. And this was the CEO of Smartlands sharing a similar statement. Smartlands platform approached Colliers International with a ready technological solution for tokenizing ownership of the real-world assets and a fully compliant legal framework, which instantly solves virtually all problems of the real estate industry. Colliers was perceptive enough to enter the partnership immediately. And then this is a look at someone from the Stellar community posting on Reddit. I originally thought the transactions and velocity of payments would drive Stellar's success, but tokenization is a whole other level. Think about it. Smartlands tokenizing real estate will bring in high-end, expensive properties through Colliers, and the tokens will reflect the value of the asset themselves, meaning that the value of the network will increase since these tokens are on the network. This doesn't include the value of the volume of transactions. So Stellar is definitely making big moves in the way of tokenizing real-world hard assets through Smartlands, tokenizing agriculture, land, and other equipment that the agricultural company has. And definitely, I know there's been talks of Stellar Lumens tokenizing the stock market, which would add billions and billions of dollars to the Stellar network if we were to actually move away from the stock market and start tokenizing these assets. So a quick look at the Stellar X decentralized exchange with 0 fees. I'm not going to read this entire article, but there are 0 fees on this decentralized exchange. The transactions will settle in seconds, and trading on Stellar X costs nothing. We refund you your network fees and even return Stellar's automatic 1% APR inflation to our users, keeping none of the weekly airdrops for ourselves. So you do have to pay a small, I guess you could say, gas to have a transaction, but they refund you that money. So essentially it costs you nothing to trade tokens. And this article goes through on how you can sign up. I'll post a link in the description. You could read it yourself if you're interested. But we'll just look at some more features that are coming in the future for this exchange. So they'll have a mobile site, continued improvement for sign up, onboarding, and visual design, improved token stats and information. This is one of the coolest things, I think, is the fungible path payment support, which will allow a sender to send token A and specify that the recipient receives it as token B. And that's a great concept where I could send someone Litecoin, but if they want Bitcoin, I send them Litecoin and they receive it as Bitcoin. So that's definitely a great idea, and I can't wait for them to add that to Stellar X. They'll also have multi-signature support to just kind of aid in security, non-XLM market support, in-app deposits, withdrawal, support for all tokens via the SEP 0006. So that will wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like it, share it, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys later.